problems from NCERT book. Now real numbers, exercise 1.1 NCERT, important questions. This question number 1, part 3, page number 7 of NCERT. Now this question says find the HCF of 8, 6, 7 and 255 using Euclid's division lemma. 867 is equal to 255 into 3 plus 102. Because we have that according to Euclid's division lemma, A is equal to BQ plus R. Now A is equal to here 867 and B is 255. So 867 is equal to 255 into 3 plus 102. Now we are going to divide 255 by 102. 255, 102. 255 is equal to 102 into 2 plus 51. And then we have 102 is equal to 51 into 2. And the remainder is nothing but 0. Now we have received the remainder 0. This means HCF of 51 and 102 is 51. Now HCF of 102 and 255 is also 51. And HCF of 255 and 867 is also 51. Therefore HCF of these two numbers 255 and 867 is 51. Question number 2. Here we have that you have to prove that 6q plus 1 and 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 are odd numbers. Let us suppose b is equal to 6. Then according to Euclid's division lemma, again we have a is equal to bq plus r. Now here the b is equal to 6. So a is equal to 6q plus r. Now the value of r is greater than equal to 0 and is less than 6. Case 1, r is equal to 0. The remainder is taken as 0. A is equal to 6q. Now case 2, r can be 1 because the value is less than 6. So starting from 0, here r is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. It can't be 6. So when you take r is equal to 1, a is equal to 6q plus 1. Similarly here r is equal to 2, a is equal to 6q plus 2. R is equal to 3, a is equal to 6q plus 3. R is equal to 4, a is equal to 6q plus 4. R is equal to 5, a is equal to 6q plus 5. Now what do we conclude here? That 6q plus 1 can be written as 2 into 3q. Therefore it is a multiple of 2. Therefore it's an even number. Similarly here it is an odd number. 6q plus 1, it's not divisible by 2. 6q plus 2, 2 can be taken out common, so it is divisible by 2. Again here r is equal to 3. So here you see it's not divisible by 2, therefore it's an odd number. R is equal to 4, 6q plus 4, that is equal to 2 times 3q plus 2, that is an even number. R is equal to 5, a is equal to 6q plus 5, that is an odd number. So since according to the question we were asked to find out that when the numbers are even, so these numbers are odd and these numbers are even. So the odd numbers are hence proved that 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 are odd numbers, and 6q plus 2 and 6q plus 4 are even numbers. Hence proved. Two very important questions. Question number 4 and question number 5 of exercise 1.1 NCERT. Question number 4 says use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Now according to Euclid's division lemma, a is equal to bq plus r. You know this. Now let b is equal to 3, because here it is 3. So we have to take b is equal to 3. Suppose it was 4 here, so we have to take 4. B is equal to 4. So b is equal to 3. Now a is equal to 3q plus r. Now according to Euclid's division lemma, a is equal to bq plus r, and the value of r is less than 3 and is equal to 0. So r can be from 0 to 3 but not 3. 0, between 0, from 0 is included till 3. So the possible values of r are r is equal to 0, 1 and 2 only. Now there are 3 possible cases. Case 1, r is equal to 0. So a is equal to 3q. A square is equal to 9q square, which can be written as 3 into 3q square, which is of the form 3q, a multiple of 3. It's a multiple of 3, which is of the form 3q, not 3q, but form 3q. Similarly, r is equal to 1. Case 2, a is equal to 3q plus 1. So a square is equal to 3q plus 1 square. That is 9q square plus 6q plus 1. A square 2ab plus b square. So here among the first 2 terms you see 3 is common. So 3 common, q square plus 2q plus 1. Now this is also of the form 3q plus 1. 3 is multiple of 3 and plus 1. So it is of the form 3q plus 1. It is not 3q plus 1 but of the form 3q plus 1. So it is of the form 3q plus 1. Similarly, r is equal to 2. A is equal to 3q plus 2, a square is equal to 3q plus 2 square, 3q square, 9q square, 2 square, 4, 2 times multiplication of these two, that is equal to 12q. Now among these 2 terms, you see 1, 2 and 3. 3 terms are there, 4 can be split in as 3 plus 1. So among first 3 terms, 3 is common, 1 is left, so that is 3 times 3q square plus 4q plus 1. So this is again of the form 3q plus 1. 3 multiple of 3 plus 1. That is either, if we take the square, so either it is of the form 3q or 3q plus 1. Is that clear? Or here, so you conclude that whenever any number is there and its square is being taken, so it is either of the form 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2 proved. Question number 5. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Now let's see here in this question, as in this previous question we had there it was b was equal to 3. But here if you see, apply the same way, so b is equal to 9. And if b is equal to 9, that means r shall be from 0 to 8. There will be 9 cases. So in order to reduce the number of cases, it will take too long, and it is, you have to cube also in this question. So in order to do that, what we take b is equal to 3, because 3 into 3 is 9. So if it is a multiple of 9 is a multiple of 3. 3 3 is a 9. So 9 is 3 3 is a 9. So this means 3 can be a subpart of 9. So we are taking what? 9, 3 here. So let b is equal to 3. A is equal to 3q plus r. So b is equal to 3. R will be 0 to 3. Now the possible cases of r will be 0, 1 and 2. Case 1, r is equal to 0. A is equal to 3q. A cube is equal to 27 cube. That is equal to a multiple of 9. 9 times 3q cube, which is of the form a multiple of 9. That means a cube is equal to 9m. Case 2, r is equal to 1. A is equal to 3q plus 1. So a cube is equal to 3q plus 1 cube. That is 27q cube plus 3 into 3 into q into 3q plus 1 plus 1. That is, using formula a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b plus b cube. This is a, this is b. So the cube of this is 27 cube, the cube of 1 is 1, and 3 times multiplication of this and then their sum. So this is it here. Similarly, here you see a cube is equal to 9 times 9 is common in first and second term. 3 3 is a 9, and here 27, 9 is common, taken common, that is 3q cube plus 9 plus q into 3q plus 1 within brackets plus 1, that is a 9 times multiple. This is something here which can be taken as m, so it's a multiple of 9 plus 1. So case 2, a cube is a 9m plus 1. Case 3, a is equal to 2, r is equal to 3q plus 1. So q cube is equal to 3q plus 1 cube. A cube is equal to cube of 3q, 27q cube plus 3 times 3q into 2. This and this multiplication, then again sum of these two, 3q plus 2 plus 2 cube, that is 8. Again the same formula, a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. So here 1, 2, in these two expressions again you see you have to take out only 9 common. More can be common, we are not bothered about it, that, because we have to take out only 9 common. So 9 is common here, that is here, after taking out 9 common, 3q cube plus 2q within brackets, 3q plus 2 bracket closed plus 8. 2 cube was 8. So here it is 8 is there, so it is of the form 9 multiple of 9, so that is 9 into m plus 8. So we conclude that whenever you have to take cube of any number, any positive integer, it is either of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Students, please note that the question number 4 and 5 of exercise 1.1 NCERT are very important. So you see the video again and practice these two questions till you are able to solve them completely.